book I have done, The Craft of Research. Now, moving on to the summary, The Craft of Research is a novel written by Wayne C. Booth, Gregory G. Collum, Joseph M. Williams, Joseph Bizup, and William T. Fitzgerald. It explains how to successfully write a research paper using things such as ethics, passion, and goal settings. The overall purpose of the book is to teach researchers how to conduct an effective, meaningful research. Background on the author: the main author of the book is Wayne C. Booth, the first name on the book. Booth was a literal critic as well as a distinguished professor at the University of Chicago. Booth was written multiple famous novels such as Rhetorical of Fiction. Booth passed away in 2005 and was born in 1921. Purpose of writing the novel: Booth and his colleagues' purpose of writing the novel is to help researchers create more ethics in important research. The authors wanted to help researchers know the importance of research what you're passionate about. The authors also wanted to researchers to know it's important to the plan put your research and ask yourself why it is important. Call to action. The authors want researchers to learn how to pick a topic that interests them, how to elaborate on their information, properly establish a layout, address an audience, overall effectively set goals to set yourself in the right direction. Comparisons. Module 1. The book and Module 1 both emphasize the importance of discovering an issue and asking yourself how to solve it and go about it, as far as going towards goal setting. In textbook, Lisa Amos explains the importance of mentality in our work, and the book emphasizes by explaining that the first we may discourage with the research, but once we set our minds to it, we can use it to help fight against the adversities and evils. Discussion. Reginald Imperial said that if you set your mind to something, you can achieve it. The book explains that by choosing a topic you care about and want to change, you'll be able to have a strong piece of work. Lessons and recommendations. The book recommends you write to remember, write to understand, and write to test your thinking. The book also recommends you research things you actually care about, not what others want you to research. The book suggests how important it is to plan ahead and set goals for our work so it doesn't decrease the value of it. Recommendation options. I believe the recommendations given by the author of the book can and should be implemented into everyday life. We should all work on things we are passionate about. Yes, we should evolve every day. We should do things we are passionate about and work forward further towards our goals. We should also set goals to achieve our dreams and not let others through our own mentalities get in the way of what we want to accomplish. Thank you and have a good day.